Now that spooky season is over for most of us, all eyes are on winter and the holidays. Hi, I'm Carrie and I am bringing you this chilling ice makeup look featuring colored contacts. What better way to create frostbitten and icy winter makeup looks than with the variety of lenses that colored contacts offers? There are tons of lenses to choose from to complete every makeup look and keep you inspired. When wearing your lenses, make sure to snap a photo and tag colored contacts on social media. I believe that colored contacts truly level up makeup looks. This look would not be complete at all without these lenses that I have in. Also, don't forget there's fast shipping in the US, so you don't have to wait long to get your colored contacts. Keep watching because I'm going to show you how to get this icy makeup look, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. This is the almost complete makeup. It is not 100% done because I need my colored contacts lenses. Just a reminder, every time you're handling or inserting your colored contact lenses, to make sure you thoroughly wash your hands and have a clean workspace to put them in. Also, don't forget to soak your lenses for at least 2 hours before your first use. For more tips and care guides, head to coloredcontacts.com. Let's pop those bad boys in to get the final look. I am blown away by how much these lenses pull this makeup together. It looks so cool. If your eyes get a little bit watery when you're inserting your lenses, that's completely normal, so you can just take a tissue and kind of dab away any water so you don't ruin your makeup. For joining me with this makeup today. Make sure you head to coloredcontacts.com to get your lenses and start creating.